Díoghuit agus fáilte. In this video we're going to take a look at the Irish verb mothaigh, which is to feel, mothaigh. A very useful verb, and you'll see why now when we talk about it in more detail. But before we start, I'd like to let you know that I have added my PayPal information in the first comment in the description to this video and on the about page of this YouTube channel. If you can spare a couple of euro, a couple of dollars, a couple of pounds to support me on my journey here on YouTube, I would really appreciate it. The more support I get, the more likely I am to make better and more regular videos. So thank you very much for supporting me if so. I also want to let you know about this great verbs book here by Collins. If you want to learn more about mothaigh and lots of other verbs, just click on the Amazon link that will be in the description to this video and in the first pinned comment. So back to this video on mothaigh, which is to feel, but it can also be to hear as well. But we'll be more focusing on the feeling part. So let's take a quick look at the past, present and future tense of this verb mothaigh, to feel. Mothaigh me, that's the past tense, I felt. Mothaigh me. Mohaim, that's the present tense, I feel. Mohaim. And mothaigh me is the future tense, I will feel. Mothaigh me. Let's take a look now at 10 sample sentences that you could use in conversation. Mohaim pader. I miss Peter. Mohaim pader. Tháinig sé gan bhothu orm. He caught me by surprise, or he came upon me unawares. Tháinig sé gan bhothu orm. Mothaigh me rud éigin aisteach. I had a strange feeling, or I felt strange. Mothaigh me rud éigin aisteach. The next phrase then, I don't feel safe in this part of town. Ní mohaim sábhailthe an taobh sin den bhaile. I don't feel safe in this part of town. Ní mohaim sábhailthe an taobh sin den bhaile. The next one then, the people feel in danger. Mohain na daoine imwail. The people feel in danger. Mohain na daoine imwail. Níor mothaigh me mórán péine. I didn't feel much pain. Níor mothaigh me mórán péine. I felt a pain in my head. Mothaigh me pein in mo cheann. Mothaigh me pein in mo cheann. She's not feeling too good today. Níl sí ag mothú go rómha inniuh. Níl sí ag mothú go rómha inniuh. She felt awful, or she felt terrible. Mothaigh sí go hulk. Mothaigh sí go hulk. You'll feel better later on, or you'll feel better soon. Mothaigh tú níos fearr go luath. Mothaigh tú níos fearr go luath. So you can see there that the Irish verb mothaigh is quite useful. You could use it instead of bhí me and tá me all the time. So if you wanted to say I was good, you would say bhí me go maith. But now you could maybe say mothaigh me go maith instead. So by substituting the verb mothaigh for tá and bhí a lot of the time, you can add more richness and variety to your Irish sentences. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget you can contribute to me by following the PayPal links on this YouTube channel. Any help, as I said, is much appreciated. So I'll see you soon. Slán tamil.